Hey YouTube, thank you guys for checking out my video. I decided I wanted to make a incense burner box. I used to have one before, but the one that I had, it really only fits the small regular size incense, and I like to buy the big ones because they burn for about 4 hours. So I needed to make an incense burner box that would fit the large, bigger incense. So I decided to make my own box. So I just cut up some pieces of old trim work that I had left over from when I built my shed. And for the top piece, it needs to be bigger than the other pieces because it needs to cover the whole top of the case. So I trimmed that piece of wood down, and now it's going to fit. So now I got a complete rectangle box, and I'm putting the sides on to seal up the sides. And I'm just using my little brad nailer, the Ryobi brad nailer. I got a hinge from Home Depot, cut that down to size, and then just screwed that onto the back. Now those two drill bits right there, I'm going to make the holes for the smoke to come out of the box. I decided to make a figure 8 pattern, and that way as the incense burns down, there'll always be holes all the way down for the smoke to just come out easily. So now that I'm all finished the design of the box, I decided to go ahead and stain it. So I had some old stain in one of my cabinets in the laundry room, so I just put that stain on it. Now I'm going to light one of the big incense. I tested it out before, but I didn't record it. So now I recorded myself putting the big incense in, and it just works great. Thanks for watching.